adding oil. For some reason, have some like coolant leak over there. I don't know where that's from. Well, let's see if it went up a little bit. Yeah, it was better than it was. I gotta add more though. Added window washer fluid too. We're low on that. I'm just gonna put the rest of this. I'm gonna do a little bit of groceries out of groceries. Yeah, should be a little better. Oh yeah. Way better. Definitely gotta find out what the heck that is. It's from the coolant. It's like it sprayed out of somewhere. I don't know where though. I'm gonna keep this so I can fill it back up. I'm trying to keep my voice low because there we got some other people sleeping here right now, so I'm trying to disturb them. This is my little setup. I got my brush. I want to get a blower. I don't think I'm gonna need it soon because I think I might go to tanker, but I'm not sure. Gotta strap that down. Always keep these, you know what I'm saying? You gotta keep tools with you. Got the tools. Always gotta be prepared for anything. Everything's put away. I'm gonna head out. Beautiful day today. Hopefully it stays like that. Gotta clean those doors, got like grease on it. Alright. Look at all that wind. Looks like a storm is brewing. You better get yourselves right. All aboard, ready for rocky nights. Hold on to your barges. Looks like we're going for a ride, my friends. Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh! Damn! Oh! Damn! Freaking whole bunch of dirt came in my truck, bro. Yo! Yo! Yo, this is nuts. Look at this, guys. Yo, freaking tornado's about to come on my mama, bro. Look at this. Freaking tornado's gonna come, bro. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Bro. That's crazy. I was walking outside to exercise and I had to come back inside because I was like, cannot take all that wind hitting me like that, all that sand. It was like sand blasting my legs. Had a bypass at 95 North. Trying to get back on 95 North. Got the light here. I could have probably went the other way too. downtown. Thank God I'm going through here at this time, and they didn't close it earlier. Came through earlier. Look at that little old building. Lights be changing fast. Gotta look for the bypass sign. Close that left lane because they'll try to go in the inside, and then guess who's gonna get blamed? The truck driver, not them. They cut you on the inside, right? The trucker's always at fault for some reason, right? We gotta lift the truck. Oh, this got this guy over here in the corner, man. Looks like he loses his mind. I cleaned the windows are already dirty. Feel bad for him. Alright, let's get to 95 North. See what we got. It's pretty cool riding through here. I've never been through here with this bypass. $13.8, we are $13.6, but we don't even have to go under the bridge. We got a chance here to go to the right. Cover the right lane and the left lane so we can make this turn. You got it, Bubba Spark. Come on, you got it. There you go. Good job. Let's get it. See if we run into any more detours.